those would be considered your type C goals because you already, I mean, your type A goal because you already know how to do that.
Right.
Oh, I want a car. You know how to do that. You go to, you make sure your credit, if you have credit, you make sure your credit is good. And, for my spiritual sisters, y'all know we don't need no credit.
Yeah.
Because
Why do
you
we not need
think
credit?
about, we don't, because we don't know how it's going to come.
Well,
We don't
then
know
that
how it's
needs
going
to be a
to.
type C.
This is the deeper one. No,
We
because the
look.
thing is, like, for example, okay, let me give you an example. Let me give you an example. For example, you see, when we're talking about the visualization and meditation and all of that,
Mhm.
um, those are things that you really don't know how to achieve, but you're achieving it unbeknown to you through visualization and meditation. You don't know where it's going to come from. You have no idea what's going to come. So if I want to buy a Toyota, I don't need to think too much about that.